Okay, next we're gonna do the loot, looting the chests and other lootables. So let me show you what we're going for first. So when we put in the key, it opens, and then the inventory opens, and then the inventory is randomly generated every time. That looks really similar to the last one. Randomly generated. So let's take a look at it. The first thing we want to take a look at is the actual chest. We've changed it a little bit. So what we're doing, is we have this target chest, and we're passing our target chest in from here. Wait, yeah. So we have our widget set up here on the chest. And then we get the widget. We cast to the chest widget. And then we pass a reference of ourself into the target chest. And then this is just a little thing to automatically open the chest for testing. So anyways, this is how we pass in which chest is on which inventory. Follow me so far. Now, let's go back to here. So now that we have this reference here, notice I have my update function here, just like on the other one. But anyways, I also have on here an SP total, and at the very beginning of play, the treasure chest is going to pick an amount of silver points between 50 and 0. Then it's going to pick another number between 1 and 5, and that's how many items we're going to get. And then here I have pretty much all my items that I can pick up right now set up as a value. So it's gonna, each time it loops, it's gonna randomly pick one of these items. Then it's gonna add it to the inventory. Like that. So anyways, so the first thing this does is it clears the field, and then it checks the silver points total, and if it chose 0, it skips adding the coin thing. If it does equal 0, well, then it goes and it does the rest of them. Now, what am I talking about? The coin one. Well, I made another one of these things. Let's open it up. So I added a coin there. And then this one's really simple. Excuse me. It gets that target chest, gets the silver points, and then it says that there's that many silver points. And then when we click on the button, we're going to get the silver points from the character and add that from the chest, and then actually set that total on the character. Then we're going to change the silver points to 0 on the chest. Then we're going to update. Then our update is going to clear because we just took all the money. And now that it realizes that there's 0, now it's not going to put that coin widget up. And then of course we have to do the same thing on the actual item. We have to get that target chest reference so that we can get the right inventory. And then once we do all of that, we update again. So that way, every time an item is added, or removed, I should say, it updates. So yeah, this one adds the item once again to the character's inventory, and then we drop from the chest inventory. And I had to use 2 different versions of find here. I notice I have this one split and this one is not. That's fine. But this is the key. Getting the widget from the right one. You get widget, then you can cast to the widget. Then you can call the update function. Okay. I think I went over all of that. Let's give you a demonstration. Okay, so I might have to deal with some guys real quick here. Let me just get it up. Okay, I don't know why everybody's showing right now. Hey. I think I'm about to die here. Okay, now I can start loading, see it randomly give me all these. Ah, and there's my gold over there. And here it is in my inventory. I got extra mace, so I can actually grab one with each hand. And I can go. More gold. It always puts up the gold first. And there we go. Now I got a short sword. Obviously. Gotta fix those real quick. So let's see here. What's it getting angry about? It's just getting upset because there's no inventory when we're doing this cast because I don't have it up. That could cause bugs later, but we're not going to fix that right now. I'll see you in the next video.